Alright guys, we're 1084. Came in as rubbish. Now possibly the supermarket. They're investigating. Got a light haze.
Bronx. Engine 72. 961. We didn't have anything in either direction of the span. The caller reported to me near the golf course today. Other than that, nothing further.
This time, they're using 1-in-1, opening up the supermarket, see if they can find where the smoke condition is coming from.
That's what it came from the nothing further. That's 4, I just believe it's 1031. That's 1031 about 3961, 1031 on 8961, order 972. 902. Trying to
See, there's a light smoke condition. Could be a rubbish fire inside, maybe.
Going through the battalion. We're just trying to make our way in. Trying to short circuit the rolling gate. Alright, thanks. Dial 1-4. This time we're using 1 engine and 2 trucks, checking out a minor smoke condition at this location. Okay, 10-4, what's the address going to be here? 649 Jackson? 10-4. We also put the 5th over here in DD. We'll try to start this one.
There we got smoke. Yeah, investigate. It might be something small, but it's pretty decent smoke condition.
See if we got down by the caller here. It's actually 7 Wales. She was upstairs, something in her bedroom. 57025, yeah, this 153 First Street from Westchester Avenue, Sterling Avenue, automatic one.
159, definitely got a good aim. Sprinkler's going off. Trying to track the area.
53 First Avenue, Westchester Avenue, Section 30 Street from Westchester Avenue, Sterling Avenue, automatic one, multiple doors. 527
Probably gonna go with a 1075. Haven't found what's causing it yet.
Italian 14, ladder 42. Ladder 42. We're in the supermarket. Sprinkler activated. There's definitely a good haze in here.
Just let me know when you track it down. If you can see the swollen, unless you want to go to 75.
Speed of Italian. Looks like it was like an overheated light by the boot section. I'm going to try to open it up now.
Say that again, overheated light, you said?
Yeah, by the vegetable area.
Alright, 10-4, let me know when you get the brake stuff.
Sprinklers. Might have saved this one. Have to get the rest of those leaks open so they can get the smoke out.
We're using 1 engine and 2 trucks at this time, checking out electrical condition in the supermarket at this address, 649 Jackson. Alright, that's one.
Start cutting some of these gates. You got a good focus there. Alright, thanks for it.
There's nothing else going on. And you need a line in there at all to do anything down?
At the moment, no. But the sprinkler is still activated. Be alright without a line.
Alright, excellent.
4-2 to 4-2 chauffeur. See if you got shut down the sprinkler and get access to the main. See if you have access to the shut off for the sprinklers. You have the access to the main. 10-4.
Over to 4-2.
4-2. Yeah, I'm on the second floor. It's all clear up here. 10-4.
Clear all around the roof, all exposures clear.
Yeah, all the controls for the refrigeration system, help you if you need to shut anything down. Yeah, I think we'll be alright. Just making sure there's no expenses or anything. Just knocking down some of the stock, make sure. Alright, thank you.
continue to use one engine, two trucks to shut the electrical equipment down to the refrigeration unit that's causing the smoke in the store. We're going to continue to vent with the companies who are on scene. Alright, 10-4 beside 1-4.
Looks like we got most of it. We're going to try to shut down the sprinklers, and then we're going to go back in there and do a final check. Alright, 10-4.
What's your roof? What's your roof? You got anything to open up there? That's an open web steel joist roof, by the way. So there's no cutting up there or anything, but you have something to open up?
10-4. And just some vents I've knocked over, but nothing really showing up here at all. I'm with the second roof as well. We're just scoping around it, nothing showing really. Alright, shut down. That's 4. Yeah, I shut the power and everything marked throated and anything labeled spare, so that should be off now. That's 4.
You're going to need any kind of ventilation in there? You're going to need a fan or something?
Yeah, we might have to set up a fan. The haze is still pretty good. The sprinklers shut down.
Alright, Texas.
You guys got a fan you want to throw out? Put it in reverse.
Behind the drop ceiling. It's all good. Above.
I know. I'm just thinking. I got it here. Okay.
One for the box. 914. So using one engine, two trucks. We're setting up a ventilation fan to vent out some of the smoke from the overheated refrigeration unit. If you can get PD here for security, we had to cut a few of the roll downs.
Alright, Battalion 1-4, how long do you anticipate this operation to be, King? Seven. 0314 times badge 494.
And they got the fan going. Get this smoke out of here. These are all electric roll downs, so when they cut the locks, they couldn't push them up. But if there was a fire, they would just cut through them. I was trying to get them open so they can vent. But
4-2 to 1-4. 1-4. Everything looks good in here. Just gonna let it vent out. Alright, 10-4, we just gotta clear out some of the smoke. Can I release a couple of the units? Yeah, that'll be fine. 10-4. Thank you. Alright, 10-4.
60, 83, 10-8.
1-4 to 71, you can take up.
10-4, thank you.
Alright guys, we'll be 10-8.
Alright, 1-4.
Just gonna hold one engine and 2 trucks. You can release all other units. We're just using the vent fans to vent some of the smoke out because it's not lifted.
Alright, 10-4. Engine 7-3, ladder 4-2, ladder 5-5.
4 at this time.
Alright guys, go on 10-8.
Copy.